Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is this actually a video I wanted to do for I think about a week or so. Just got some good news on this pair, and basically it's an SB Dunk Low that only hits skate shops in Asia and I believe in Europe. Might only be Asia though, but basically the US is not getting them. We aren't getting this pair. I wish we were, but we're not. So today the SB Dunk Low that we're discussing today is the Saturn Gold Orange Label SB Dunk Low. As y'all can see, very clean colorway in hand. I'll show you all these in a second, really show you what they look like when they pop. And honest answer is, it isn't a super bright yellow, but it's pretty nice, and we'll get into it. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's just try to 300 likes in this video. Let me know if this is a pair that's on your radar. And if anybody is looking for a pair, make sure you guys check out my IGs down below or the Whatnot Lives. We'll definitely be doing some of these soon. So if you guys just want to check us out there, or again on my IG, just let me know what size you're looking for, and we'll see if we can get you right. But very slick pair, like what we got with these. And don't forget, you guys can also, I already said that, us at Resale Vision down below, excuse me. Don't forget the undermarket sneakers that we do on an almost daily basis in there. You guys can see some of the Tourmaline SBs, other pairs we've done. We got more of the Tourmaline SBs coming. Just stay tuned. Shout out my members in there. Just stay patient with me. We got a lot more that's dropping tonight. I'm going to be responding to DMs then, so I appreciate you guys. But that's everything I need to say. This video will probably be out a little bit later since, yeah, I got to organize everything that I sell on the stream today and then edit this video, so it'll probably be a bit later. But let me know what y'all are feeling about these, and let's get started. So again, as you guys can see, what we got with this pair, just a normal orange label SB Dunk Low box, and here is the size label tag. As y'all can see, I just decided to go with the 9.5. I could wear a 9 also, but I was like, you know what, just let me cop a 9.5. I think they were a bit cheaper. That was the reason that I went and copped a 9.5. So yeah, I just tried to save some money when doing that. I can fit 9 or 9.5, so it doesn't really matter to me which I'm wearing, right? But aside from that, actually getting into what we got with the sneaker right here. So taking a look at these, right, y'all can see it is more or less I would say on the toe box, right, we got kind of a yellow suede right there. Y'all can see what we got. There's the colorway, and then y'all can see going around that, same color. A little bit different, but you can see pretty much the same. I mean, here, like, I'll let it focus for a second. You see it's like slightly different shades, but they pretty much blend together as one. So that's what we got with this sneaker. Very clean details. Probably my favorite part of the sneaker, I got to keep it real with you guys, is the tongue tag. I like how that blends. Anybody else rock with that? I really feel like they should have went with that yellow that is embroidered right there on the tongue tag. Man, if they had went with that yellow throughout the whole entire sneaker, I feel like these would have been really hitting, and a lot of people would have really wanted these in the US. But hey, they didn't do them. It's all good. And the prices honestly aren't too nuts. So if you want a pair, you can go and get them for pretty normal SB Dunk Low pricing, right? And as y'all can see, the orange label right there on the center of the insoles, or not the center, but back by the heel. Extra laces we got a white pair. I believe it was same on the University Blue orange label pair. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but I think we got the same extra laces there as well, white pair. And yeah, the yellow laces that we also got with these, y'all can see those blend in pretty well, so can't go wrong with those. Feel like that's a good option. And then of course the white Nike swoosh, y'all can see how that blends with the midsole right there. Some gum bottoms, can't ever go wrong with that. Check that out right there. Very clean. Y'all can see of course what we got up there by the toe box, back by the heel, center of the sneaker right there. And then of course the actual heel of the sneaker, y'all can see the white Nike lettering, that yellow suede, and then of course the other heel right there. So both of them are matching, no differences. And yeah, just a nice sneaker. I mean, I think that's one of the main things that we can say about the shoe. It's really nice, and definitely one that I'm looking forward to eventually towing. I think I'll have to one day, not yet. I mean, hey, if enough of y'all comment that y'all want an on-feet video, let me know, and we'll get it done. If I see like 20-30 comments on that, then we can definitely break out an on-feet video for these. But yeah, they're pretty clean. I mean, honestly, again, the yellow is not hitting as much as I thought it was in person. Here, I'll show you what I'm saying. Like, that's my honest take. Still nice. Like, I would rock these, right? But you can see it is a little bit more of a subtle yellow, and that might be good, actually. That might be good, because it might make it a little bit easier to wear, because not everyone likes wearing, a super bright yellow, right? Like, that can be a bit obnoxious sometimes, right? But, if you like bright yellow, no shade to that, you know what I mean? Like what you like, But I do feel like them deciding to go with this little bit more of a toned down / chilled out yellow colorway, I feel like it, allows more people to wear it, because then people rock with it more. Honestly, I like it more. I wouldn't wear a sneaker that's like super bright yellow and obnoxious. I do have the Bart Simpsons and the Travis Scott Canaries when I say that. Yeah, but yeah, I like this more. It's a little bit more subtle, a little bit more simple. So I feel like that's something that a lot of people will rock with, because yeah, it makes it easier to wear. You know what I mean? Not everyone likes super bright and just noticeable things on feet. This is a little bit more simple, still noticeable, but yeah, just a little bit more toned down. I feel like that's something that we can appreciate right here with that sneaker, or with this sneaker, excuse me. So a couple of the details to show with this pair. Of course, here is kind of like the inside of the sneaker right here. Y'all can see what we got. pretty clean. Can't go wrong with that. And yeah, I mean, again, I've pretty much shown y'all what this sneaker looks like all around. So here's like one more glimpse. Y'all can see everything we got right there. So pretty clean pair. Don't feel like you can go wrong with these. But let's do some B-roll shots for these because I know you guys want to see these up close without me talking over it, and maybe even on V. We'll decide. I don't know. If I get a couple more, then yeah, I think we'll do that. But also, here's something dope. I think this is normally on orange label SBs, but check this out. You guys can see it says support your local right there. Again, I think it's pretty normal, but yeah, I thought that was a little cool detail. Pretty noticeable on these, right, since the orange really pops. So you kind of notice that part a little bit more. But again, let's do some B-roll shots without me yapping over it. Let's get into it. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much everything I need to say about this pair right here. Let me know if y'all are going to be copping the Saturn Gold SP Dunk Low, if you're going to go out the way and do it. I know they've already dropped at skate shops in Asia, so the release date has actually passed. But let me know if this is one that's on your radar or one that you will eventually pick up. I know it's pretty limited in the larger sizes, but yeah, if anybody's looking for one, feel free to hit me up my IGs or stay tuned for the Whatnot Lives. We'll definitely be doing some of these soon. And of course, shout out to everyone that tuned in today. Excuse me, I'm tripping up over my words. But yeah, I know the stream will probably be over by the time this video is out. It'll be edited. So yeah, just everyone that's there or tuned in, thank you guys. We have a lot more that is on the way tomorrow, so do not miss out on that. And yeah, or not tomorrow, but we'll be shipping out everything tomorrow and Monday. But stay tuned. We still have some other scheduled streams on the way, so I hope to see you guys there. And again, let me know how y'all are feeling about Saturn Gold SP Dunk Glow. I don't feel like you can go wrong with something like this. Again, I know it is yellow, so of course it is a little bit harder to wear, but it's a little bit more simple, toned down. Like, it's not crazy, so I feel like that's something that we can all appreciate and rock with. And of course, you can check us out at Resale Vision down below. Don't forget the undermarket sneakers that we do there on almost a daily basis. Y'all can see some of the recent ones we've done in there. Always trying to provide our members the heat for less, so I appreciate all you guys that are in there. We got a lot more that's on the way tonight and tomorrow, so yeah, I feel like that's really everything I need to say right there. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. Let me know your thoughts on the Saturn Gold SP Dunk Low, if this is one that you copped recently or were going to cop. And is there anything I'm forgetting? I don't think so. If there's something I'm forgetting, I'll edit it in. I think I said everything I need to say, though. So I'm Tristan. Thank you, guys. I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow. There's something I was going to say there, but I was going to tell you all I need to go to the bathroom. But why am I sharing that information? Like, it's not for YouTube. All right. I'm going to see you all in the next one. Peace.